Hello guys. Our goal is your satisfaction. Today I am going to show you 5 best shaving razors for men. Number 1. Black/blue, 9-piece set of brawn hair clippers for men, 9-in-1 beard, ear and nose trimmer, body grooming kit, cordless and rechargeable. For males, Braun has some fantastic gift suggestions. Give him a gift that will last a lifetime with razor-sharp blades for even beard and hair trimming. Number 2. Beard trimmer, 10 pieces, 6.3-inch Remington PG 525D head-to-toe advanced rechargeable powered body groomer kit. All your grooming requirements are met by 9 attachments: vertical body hair trimmer, full-size trimmer, foil shaver, nose, ear, and detail trimmer, 8 length settings on a hair clipper comb, 3 combs for beards and stubble. Number 3. Men's razor set with 5 razor blade refills, travel blade cover, and 2-ounce shave gel from Harry's Razors. Harry's Razors for men. This set comes with the Truman men's razor handle, 5 refills of German-engineered razor blades, a travel cover to keep your razor blades safe, and Harry's shave gel for a close shave. Number 4. 8 Pro Shield razor blade refills, 1 travel case, 1 Gillette Pro Glide Shield Premium Edition razor for men. Premium razor handle in matte black. This modern razor handle's rubber grip provides a smooth sensation. Number 5. 13-piece men's grooming kit for beard, face, nose, and ear hair by Philips Norelco Multi-Groomer All-in-One Trimmer Series 3000. 13 accessories for all your grooming requirements: 3 hair trimming guards, 3 beard trimming guards, a stubble guard, a full-size steel trimmer, a steel precision trimmer, a nose and ear hair trimmer, an accessories travel storage bag, and a cleaning brush are included. The products about which I told I have given its links in the description. You can buy it from Elsco Click in eBay. Thank you for watching.